Today, we're not just talking about a camera, we're talking about a revolution. A seismic shift in what's possible for photographers and videographers alike. Forget everything you thought you knew about full-frame mirrorless. Because for the next 30 minutes, you are locked into the definitive, no-holds-barred deep dive into the rumored, the anticipated, the legendary Sony A7V. Let me tell you, the leaks we've uncovered, the whispers from inside sources, and the patents we've analyzed, they don't just upgrade the A7 IV. They redefine the very meaning of a hybrid powerhouse. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you're serious about your craft, you have to hear every single word. This is not just a camera, it's a cheat code for creativity. Part 1. The A7 IV Legacy and the Unmet Desires. The Sony A7 IV was, and still is, an incredible camera. A true hybrid marvel. But let's be real. In the fast-paced world of camera tech, incredible eventually becomes just good enough. What did the A7 IV leave us wanting? More resolution for cropping? Faster autofocus in truly challenging conditions? Even more video horsepower for the demanding filmmaker? The A7V, according to every single reliable source we've consulted, isn't just a minor iteration. It's Sony's answer to every single one of those what-ifs, and then some. This camera is rumored to be the culmination of years of Sony's sensor dominance, AI-driven autofocus, and user feedback. Prepare to have your expectations shattered. Part 2. The Sensor Revelation, a Quantum Leap. Let's dive straight into the heart of the beast, the sensor. This is where Sony always plays its strongest hand. The loudest, most persistent leak suggests the A7V will feature a brand new, high-resolution full-frame sensor. We're talking somewhere in the neighborhood of 42 to 50 megapixels. Why is this a game changer? Imagine the cropping power. Imagine the detail. Imagine printing a massive billboard-sized image with pristine clarity. But here's the real secret. This isn't just a megapixel bump. The whispers are of a new stacked CMOS design, bringing not only resolution but also unheard-of speed. This isn't just a high-res sensor. It's a high-res, high-speed, low-noise marvel. This is where your images stop being good and start becoming legendary. Part 3. Autofocus, the AI brain behind the beast. Sony's autofocus is already legendary. But with the A7V, it's rumored to be entering a whole new dimension. Drawing directly from the flagship Alpha 1 and the recent A9 III, expect an AI-powered autofocus system that doesn't just track eyes and faces, but understands intent. We're talking about next-generation real-time tracking that anticipates movement, sticks to subjects like superglue even in the most chaotic scenes, and delivers 100% frame coverage with more focus points than you can count. Imagine shooting a fast-moving subject, knowing every single shot will be tack-sharp. This isn't just improved autofocus, it's practically telepathy between you and your camera. It's the difference between getting a shot and getting the shot. Part 4. Video. Unlocking cinematic dreams. For the videographers out there, hold on to your hats. The A7 IV gave us 4K 60p.